Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 45S and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the light button on your watch, this one. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu and select the icon, Do Not Disturb mode icon, this one. You will see that the Do Not Disturb mode and the status, it says off at the moment. And so if you want to enable the mode, you need to select the Do Not Disturb mode and press the start button to enable the mode. Now it says on and the icon changed the color and appearance too, because it's not crossed over anymore. So once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And to disable the mode, simply open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, press the start button, the status will change to off, and the icon will change the appearance, it will get crossed out. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.